Okay, my peeps, let's make some cute teddy bear cookies for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to get some cookie dough clay out and roll it out. I roll this kind of thick. I wanted a big, thick cookie. So I got these cookie cutters from Temu, but you can find them on Amazon. Something similar to this if you want. So I'm going to put this cookie to the side because I'm going to get some brown clay and we're going to make us a nice little chocolate teddy bear. So this is what this clay color is called, Tootsie Roll. I got this from Designs by Yanita. She calls this Tootsie Roll, so it's a nice dark brown color. So make sure you press down nice and hard and always remove the clay first before you take your clay out of the cookie cutter because you don't want it to connect to the clay that's already laying down. So now I'm gonna get I have these heart-shaped sweet hearts like that have sayings on them, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of tacky glue on it, and then I folded the bear's arms because he's gonna be holding the heart. Okay. Then I took my dotting tool and I just made holes in his ears. So then you're gonna get tweezer. I got a nice pointed one, and we're gonna make his fur. So all you're gonna do is just plug. Just pluck all the chocolate areas, all the brown clay areas, and it's gonna start looking like fur. Okay. So I just did his whole body, and make sure you get the sides and all the sides up by his ears and his arms and all of that. Okay, make sure you have him looking nice and fluffy. So then I'm going to put 3 holes. I'm only going to put 2 eyes and a nose. I'm not going to give him a mouth because I didn't want to mess him up. You know, that's like one of the hardest parts to do is give some like something to smile. But I'm going to get some glue. I'm not going to use, now you could use puffy paint or anything you want for the eyes, but I have these acrylic, these black acrylic circles, half circles, and I'm going to use those for eyes. I had these for years and I never use it. This is the first time I'm using them. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue in the holes that I made for the eyes and the nose, and just make sure you stuff the little round spears down there really good so that they won't come out. Okay. And then that's basically our cookie. I'm just going to put it on top of the cookie dough part. Make sure you line it up pretty good, and you press down hard so that the 2 clay pieces connect, because if not, it's going to gap when it starts drying, and we don't want that. So I'm just cutting off those 2 little excess pieces where the arms are on the cookie dough part, and make sure you you know, get the seams good, get everything nice and smooth, and there you go. There go your little heart cookie holding, your little teddy bear cookie holding the heart. I think these came out cute. Something to add to the Valentine's decor. Make you some. Bye.